And I stand on my feet. Let's do it again. Can we start over?
Yeah, yeah.
Just notice and stand up if I have to do this.
I'm sorry. My name is Teresa, and I'm from Michigan.
And Teresa, what is your profession?
I'm a barber. I've been a barber for 31 years. I was on the internet late one night and trying to figure out a cure for my pain in my side. There was some different things on the internet that was showing some stuff about stretchology, which I kind of thought was interesting. I figured if I could stretch the muscle, maybe the muscle would work better. I think that if you can stretch a muscle that's not been used, maybe it'll stretch it out and you could use it better. I have a problem with drop foot, and I had pain in my side, and I just figured the muscle was breaking down, so I figured if I could get it stretched out, maybe that would all help. I have multiple sclerosis. I've had it for 14 years. I wanted to be able to walk better, and it's working. It's a great place in West Bloomfield called Knot Me.